CTC465. This is week 15 and we are just about done. We're on the home stretch here and we're going to talk about construction and surveying this week. So hopefully this review, class has been helpful to you. Hopefully you've been able to stay up with some of the work and put some effort into it. So this week again, we're going to be talking basically construction and surveying. So this is week 15. I will be there for office hours, and we're going to be going over a few different things. So basically chapter 49 and then 54 through 58. We touched on chapter 49 a little bit in transportation, but we're going to probably go over a few more things with transportation this week and office hours if you have questions. Construction, some of this is just vocabulary if you know it or you don't. But some of the stuff, if they have scheduling on there, you might be able to pick up some points pretty quickly. And of course, construction safety. So safety first. It can't be done safely. Can't be done. All right. So all together, these two topics are 4 to 6 and 4 to 6. So roughly 8 to 12 questions. Hopefully these are questions that you can get. So just a bit of inspiration here. But what do George Washington, Abraham Lincoln, and Thomas Jefferson have in common? And you might be thinking the obvious answer. Well, they were all surveyors. Okay, well, before they became president, they were surveyors. All right, they had their roots in civil engineering. Great men of this country all began as surveyors. So I have a feeling, we've got some great men and women in our programs that will one day go on to change the world. So I hope you can be like them and go and pass your FE to start, and then one day become president. So for what we're doing this week, office hours. On Thursday, 12:30 to 1:30, I will be there. Again, I'll do my best to answer all your questions on construction and surveying. So for this week, what do you want to do? To check out the NCS reference handbook. There aren't a ton of equations, but there are some for surveying. There are some potentially for scheduling. Review the manual, right? Read through that, see what you don't know, what you do know. Take a quiz on construction and surveying. This is another one. This is a new one. I put this in blue, but plan a time to take the FE practice exam. So that's something that you want to set aside, the better part of a day. Maybe finish all your other exams and take this, but plan a time to take it and take it. So, do that before grades are due. So there we go. And then sign up for the FE and plan your post-test party. So I hope this has been helpful. With scheduling, one things that, I want you to have everything done kind of the end of the week of finals. I'll post specific dates. But again, if you can get everything done by the end of the week of finals, then I can get the grades in the following Monday or Tuesday, and you will get your grade. So anyway, that's what it is for this week, and hopefully you're having a great weekend, and we'll talk to you soon.